Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the theme of your Discord. So what you need to do is go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner and then go to appearance. Now over here you have the theme selection where you can select different themes. Of course, by default, if you don't have Discord Nitro, then you can choose dark, light, or you can synchronize with the theme of your computer. And of course over here you have preview themes button. So if you click on it, then you will see the preview options over here on the right side, where you can see a little bit more how it looks like. And of course, once again, if you have Discord Nitro, then you have a bit more options to choose from. After that, you can simply close the preview theme over here in the top right corner, or if you are in the settings, then you can of course select the theme that you want to use, and then you can close the settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.